Well, today I feel lucky because just like 200 meters from our home, my car decided to drink all the coolant. Well, not really. I'm not sure if you can see that, but my EGR coolant tube got off because it has no bead on the end. I am not sure how we mislooked that one, but we'll try to fix it. Nothing serious. Didn't get overheated or anything, so should be fine. Should be fine. It's gonna be fine.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up.
Hey guys, so the last few weeks have been a little bit chaotic for my car. I have snapped off the oil feed line for my turbocharger. I have dismantled everything. I cleaned it very thoroughly while waiting for the parts for the turbocharger and dismantled a lot of other things because I'm going to need to get to the oil feed line down there. I have ordered the braided line from UK, but since the Brexit, it's quite hard to get parts and the import charges are pretty high as well. So my turbocharger had a problem with sticking vanes. This is a pretty common problem for the VNT 17 turbochargers. And while dismantling the turbocharger, I didn't have quite a tool, so I managed to like a little bit damage my cartridge part. But I have already ordered a new one. It's right here. I have already waited like 1.5 weeks for it to come here. I had some time to do other things for the car, but I'll try to update you as we move on with everything. So yeah, right now I'm going to try to clean the VNT mechanism, and I'll try to clean out this charcoal residue as well as these VNT vanes and everything else. I have some Moto brake cleaner and some oil for it, a new cartridge for the turbocharger since I broke this one. So let's just try to move on with things. Updating from the last part, you can see that there's a new turbo here. I have to explain myself because previously I tightened up those bolts and I thought that that was the main problem with the turbo, that it wasn't holding boost, but actually it was blown. That's because we added a little bit more boost pressure than the turbo could hold. The guy from Poland helped me do this, and I also did the EGR delete on the map. I did the popcorn limiter and also the deep idle mode. But after the second gear pull, the car blew the turbo, the seals and everything, so the car smokes like hell now. Okay, so now I have removed the turbocharger and I have the new one right here. And I'll just show you the problem so you can see for yourself. So the turbocharger compressor wheel is not supposed to move sideways this much. Like if you take for comparison the new one, like it has a very slight play sideways, but like you can push it as hard as you want, you're not going to get near as much as movement as from this one. So yeah, the turbocharger was blown. Now I'm going to take this one, put it aside because it still can get rebuilt, and put the new one on. This is from Nissan's, as I mentioned previously. And well, I'm not going to film a lot because I've done this now 2 times and I don't really think it's necessary, so I'm just gonna put the new one on and let's move from there. So after refilling the refrigerant for the AC system, we still have to change these little sensors. This is the old one obviously, and this is the new one. This is a high pressure switch for the AC system, so the AC turns on. Mine at the moment doesn't, so I hope this one sorts it out, and this should be it for at least a while.